This is what I did to make more space. This was my attempt of making a good design. I can't even look at it. I'm just looking up like what kind of chairs these are. I remembered there was a tag on these. I got to look at it now after I've used Too Easy. Product strong enough to pick up blood off concrete. The writing's gone. I saw this deal last night. These Paraletes, $10, and I was like, oh wow. But because I'm sick, I was sort of hoping the guy could deliver it. So I thought, well, if I just bought enough stuff from him, maybe he will. And he did, because I went and bought like over 20 skateboards. Anyway, he bought my favorite 6 kilo Hex rubber dumbbells, the good looking ones that are black. I mean, they were mine. I bought them for me. And I'm so sick. He was like, I'll buy them. And I was like, okay. So they went. These people, poor people, had to turn around. He's already on his way. He's coming from Whoop Whoop up north. I'm like, wait, are you on your way? And they're like, yes. And I said, can you please not be on your way? And then I told them, I'm trying to tighten this thing, but there's a bolt that's underneath that somebody, not me, somebody else went and stripped. Tell him to stop while we fix it. I had it up for $250. It's a $3,000 bike. He bargained me down to $200. I was like, yeah, that's fine. And then I just get on it, you know, just to do another final test drive, and the chain has slipped. He offered $100 for it. I can't do math. I mean, I can't do math on a good day. And with the mild fever that I'm running, I was like, you know what? If you take this off my hands today, you can have it for that. And this is the biggest problem when you're doing this business, is somebody else isn't nice to bolts. Remember this bench? This is the bench that made me cry. This is the bench that would just never die. My biggest goal was to get rid of this thing. It just stayed and stayed and stayed and couldn't get away. Finally sold it. The guy brought it back. He doesn't need it anymore. He gave it back to me to say thank you. So he's the one that got this bench. It's back.